So similar to the last year, this year is also going to have a lot of people growing their hair long. But the only difference will be their hair will have grown out by this year. And mostly all of them will be out of the awkward stage. So here are 3 of the man buns that I love the most, ranked from 3rd to 1st, as you may need these this year. So at number 3 we've got this man bun style. I don't really know what's the name of this one, but this is how it looks. The only reason I'm including this one in the list is because it takes like 3 seconds to make this bun. Plus it looks decent as well when done in a half knot style. I don't really like this one too much because I feel like it is too messy for me. Okay, so the second one on the list is this one, and I use this one primarily when I want to have a slick look. Nothing too messy, everything as simple as it can be. And the thing about this bun is how good it looks highly depends on the shape of your head. And I don't think it looks good on me when made with a full man bun. And for that fact, I mostly use it in half up bun style. And finally, the number 1 man bun on my list. This is the one that I love the most. This is my favorite man bun style so far. This is the messy bun and I'm putting my hair in this one all the time. So this is my favorite bun for 3 reasons. First, it takes seconds to tie your hair in this style. Second, it always looks good and different. You can never make it look the exact same every time. And third, it looks good in every variation. So basically, no matter how I make this bun, it is always going to look good. Okay, so those were the top 3 of my favorite man buns. If you enjoyed watching those, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And don't forget to let me know what you guys wanna watch in the upcoming videos. Just write in the comment section what you guys are interested in. And with that being said, I'll see you guys around.